Hello, monster friend. How are you? In the previous pill, I closed the topic of variables, so I can start talking about strings. String is the object that Python uses to store text. The string can be enclosed in single, double, or triple quotes. In this pill, I will show the first two. Let's go. A string can be written in single quotes. Here it is, no difficulties. But you can't change lines and stay in the same string. With single quotes, Python does not allow line wrapping in a string. Look, it's a problem. But a string can also be written in double quotes. No problem. The same sentence, all the same, I have the same result. But what if the text has something in quotes? In that sentence, the word easy is in quotes, which means you're being ironic and you don't think Python is easy. There are no difficulties. If you started the string with single quotes, in the middle of it you should use double quotes. On the contrary, if you started with double quotes, you would use single quotes. But what if I enclose everything in the same type of quotes? If you insist on always using the same type of quotes, Python will be confused and will not accept this way of working. Well, that's it for now. I will see you on the next pill. Bye bye.